Please tell me, the Prime Minister in our interview has said that, there's no question of any inquiries going away for those who join the central agencies, and this is a favorite of the opposition once they see defeat in front of them.
You come from Mumbai. You have been covering Maharashtra, Vinaya. Isn't it a fact that the cases against Mr. Ajit Pawar have been closed? Isn't it a fact that cases against Sunetra Pawar have been closed? Isn't it a fact that Mr. Praful Patel has been given a clean sheet? Isn't it a fact that 25 leaders, out of which 16 of them come from Maharashtra, their cases have gone into cold storage or have been given a clean sheet?
All right. Well, there are many facets that the Prime Minister has touched. So one of them, of course, is the often repeated charge against the BJP-led government that they're misusing, abusing state agencies like the CBI and ED. Priyanka Chaturvedi there talking about cases that seemingly go into the cold storage once individuals join the BJP. My colleague Pallavi is joining us with more on this. Pallavi, this is an important aspect that the Prime Minister has touched. And he reminds the opposition, the media, the public at large that the number of cases that are political or against political individuals by these agencies is 3%. So it's not like that's their entire job and their entire mandate. Secondly, no cases, he says, as opposed to a newspaper report in this interview, he says no cases have been put in cold storage or dropped. They follow what the courts have to say. So ultimately, the arbitrators are courts of the country.
And the 2G scam, for example, just to give a quick example of what the Prime Minister was talking about, it was a large number of bureaucrats, at least 5 or 6 of them who were jailed on grounds of allegations as far as the telecom scam of the UPA government is concerned. And barring Kanimori or A. Raja, who were the 2 politicians who had to go in for that, it was largely the bureaucrats who had to face the heat. That's exactly what the PM is talking about. Consistently, the BJP and most importantly, the Prime Minister in the exclusive interview, I think has responded to not just the Congress, but the entire refrain of the India Front Alliance that this government or the BJP uses ED, CBI to arm twist their political opponents, and all of them are being sent behind bars so that they don't emerge as opponents to the BJP. Well, the PM making it very clear that these are ongoing investigations. You get a clean sheet, you come out of it unscathed, but in case investigations are going on, you're not cooperative, no matter how much you complain, you are not going to be out. I think the USP, which on the slogan on which the Modi government came to power for the first time round in 2014 was in the backdrop of the many scams and allegations against the UPA, the 2G scam, the coal scam, the Devas Antrix deal scam, and so on and so forth. And in each one of those cases, when the PM came to power, he made the point that these are all entitled, powerful politicians. We want to set a precedence where even the powerful power has a Lakshman Rekha. And no one is so powerful that the law will not catch up with them. This had resonated on the ground not once but twice over, and a narrative which is now being pushed forward by the PM once again.